Hello, today we will guide you through how to move chart in MT5 Mobile. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to move around the chart inside the MT5 Mobile app. This is a simple action, but it's very useful when you want to review past price movement, inspect recent candles more closely, or simply navigate the chart more comfortably on your phone. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main interface. If you're already signed in, you should be able to access the trading dashboard right away. The goal here is just to get into the app and make sure you're on the main screen. Next, look at the bottom navigation area of the app and tap on Chart. This will take you to the chart view, where you can see the market price movement displayed visually. The chart screen is where you can monitor price action, track trends, and interact directly with the market display. If you're not already on this tab, selecting it is important because the movement gesture only works from within the chart view. Once the chart is open, tap and hold directly on the chart area, then slide your finger across the screen to move the chart. This gesture allows you to scroll through the chart smoothly. As you drag, the chart will shift so you can view different sections of price history. This is especially helpful if you want to look back at earlier movement or reposition the chart to focus on a specific area. When doing this, try to press and hold steadily before sliding. A smooth drag usually gives you better control, especially on smaller screens. If the chart doesn't move right away, simply lift your finger and try again with a slightly longer press on the chart itself. Also, make sure you're touching the main chart area and not another on-screen control. That's all there is to it. Open the MT5 app, tap Chart at the bottom, then tap, hold, and slide on the chart to move it. Once you get used to the gesture, navigating the chart becomes fast and natural.